Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set the best battery saving settings on HONOR X7d. Since we're talking about battery, let's start our journey from the battery settings. So enter settings, then scroll down to battery and open this menu. Of course, you can enable power saving mode at any time. It will not affect your device's performance too much, and it will still increase your battery lifetime. You can also do the same thing by swiping down the control center and tapping on this icon, and you can disable it in the very same way. The next thing is more battery settings. So here, make sure that you enable power consumption alert, smart charging, safe charging, smart battery capacity, and that's it for this menu. Now let's go back here. Now here you have the list of apps that drain your battery the most. Now your phone uses automatic managing of the apps in the background, so all the apps will be optimized to not drain your battery too much. However, if you see that some application is draining your battery way too much, you can restrict its background activity by selecting app launch and then switching this one of the toggles to the left next to the application for which you want to restrict the background activities. So to do that, just switch the toggle to the left, tap OK, and this way this app will not drain your battery that much. The following tips I want to give you is to go to display and brightness section. Here I recommend scheduling the dark mode, or if you are really comfortable with the dark mode, you can use it all the time on your phone. But if you prefer using light mode, then schedule the dark mode for maybe from sunset to sunrise. You can do this by switching this toggle to the right, and then the dark mode will be enabled from sunset to sunrise. But you can also set a custom schedule, of course, by selecting this option and then setting the time values here. I will return to dark mode. You can also adjust the dark mode settings here. Here's the only setting you can change is darken the wallpaper in dark mode. So it basically doesn't affect your battery too much. Now the screen brightness is the next matter. I recommend you lowering it, and you can also use the automatic screen brightness, but if it overshoots, then I'd recommend you changing it manually. You can also do this in the control center of your device, and also change the sleep option to 15 or 30 seconds. This way you will also increase your battery lifespan. And also go to sounds and vibration, and let's check more sound settings here. Now here disable the touch sound, so the haptics you receive from your phone when you're touching the screen, because they also drain your battery. And that's at this point all I wanted to recommend you. Besides, keep your phone out of direct heat or cold temperatures, because excessive temperature or low temperatures also drain and damages your battery. And also for this phone, if you are comfortable with it, you can go to display and brightness section again and change screen refresh rate from dynamic to standard. So if you are using standard mode, your battery will live much longer. And the last tip I wanted to share with you is to Keep your battery between 20 to 80% charge to reduce wear, and avoid deep discharges and overcharging for longer overall lifespan. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.